Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? I hope everyone's alright. This is going to be the 6th episode of what to do. In this video I do want to talk about the city of Brussels in Belgium. I've been there a couple of times, maybe not as much as I want to, but it is a city that I do enjoy, and it is a city that I do want to go back to. But what to do? There is at least a few sites that you can go to. The obvious one is probably Mannequin Piers, which I must admit it's way smaller than expected, so don't expect too much from it. And it's the same thing with Seneca Piers, which is like which is just a dog, which is the same premise as the Mannequin Piers, but with a dog instead. So don't expect much of that. And of course there's St. Michael's and St. Gudula Cathedral. There's the Grand Place, which is huge, and which is a thing that I totally can recommend going to. And there's a lot of parks as well: Parc de Forest, Parc de Bruxelles, Botanic Gardens, amongst a lot of places to go to. And I noticed that some places I haven't been to, which I probably need to go to when I'm there, like Josephat Park, Parc de Cinquantenaire, amongst other places too. Porte de Hall. So there's a lot of things to see and do. And of course, if you are into museums, we do have the natural sciences, European history, amongst a lot of other museums as well. And food-wise, there's the Belgian waffle, which is probably world famous, and sausages as well. And then, of course, as in Prague, the Belgian beer are probably world famous at this point. And it is the same thing as in Prague. It is cheaper than most places. Kind of depends on what kind of beer you're grabbing though, so it depends. There's a lot of I must say the city itself is kind of walkable too, just that you can just walk around having a great time. So yeah, that's the video. Comment below if I missed anything. Like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.